Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video section of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.1. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 5, geometry. Here we discuss about the congruent and similarity. Congruent figures are exactly the same in shape and size. By 4 ways we can prove that two triangles are congruent. First one by SSS, that is side, side, side. 3 sides are equal in two triangles. That means it is congruence. Then SAS, side, angle, side. And then ASA, angle, side, angle. And then RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. And then next one, similar figures. Similar figures have the same shape but different size. It is small or big. By 4 ways we can prove that, like the congruence, two triangles are similar. AAA, that is angle, angle, angle. 3 angles are equal, same, that is similar triangles. And then SAS, side, angle, side. And then SSS, side, side, side. Then right and RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. So these are the example of congruence and similar. Now let me see the exercise. Look at this exercise 5.1. First question, fill in the blanks with the correct term from the given list. They given the list in that in proportion, similar, corresponding, congruent, shape, area, equal. Listen here. First, corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Are in proportion. Next one, second one, similar triangles have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. So same shape. Next one, in any triangle, dash sides are opposite to equal angles. In any triangle, equal sides are opposite to equal angles. So equal. Next one, the symbol that is used to represent the congruent. The symbol is used to congruent triangle. Next one, the symbol that is used to represent the dash triangle. The symbol is similar, used to similar triangle. So that is the answer. Second sum, in the given figure, angle CIP is congruent to COP and HIP is congruent to HOP. Prove that IP is congruent to OP. So listen. Here statement, reason. First one, CI is equal to CO, right? CI equal to CO. Since CIP is congruent to COP, right? CIP is congruent to COP. That is by CP/CTC, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle are congruent, that is CPC, TC, right? Next one. Here IP equal to OP because HB is the midpoint. So P is the midpoint of the side. IP is equal to OP. That is also by CP CTC. Next, CP equal to CP. That is also by CP CTC. Next lesson. Also, HI equal to HO. HI equal to HO. That is CP CTC triangle HIP is congruent to HOP. That is given. Next, IP is equal to OP by CPCTC and then fourth point, that is 4, and IP is congruent to OP, that is by 2 and 4. Second and fourth statement proves that IP is congruent to OP. That is the answer. Third sum, in the given figure, AC is congruent to AD and angle CBD is congruent to angle DEC. Prove that triangle BCF is congruent to triangle EDF. So in this figure, AC is congruent to AD and CBD is congruent to DEC. And then prove that triangle BCF is congruent to EDF. This true triangle are congruent. We want to prove that. Okay, now next, what is the first step? Statement and reason. Statement, reason. As in the first statement, angle BCF is equal to angle EFD. Angle BCF is equal to angle EFD. What is that? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically angle BFC is equal to BFC equal to EFD. That is vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal. No? Then angle CBD is equal to angle DEC. That is angles on the same base. Next, angle BCF equal to angle EDF. These two angles are equal. EDF. That is remaining angles of triangle BCF and triangle EDF. And last one, triangle BCF is congruent to triangle EDF. Again the statement, that is the proof for which one? BCF is congruent to EDF by 1 and 2, that is what? Angles, 3 angles are congruent. So, angle criteria. That proves the statement 1 and 2. Okay, that is the answer. Fourth sum, in the given figure, triangle BCD is isosceles with the base BD and angle BAE is congruent to DEA. Prove that AB is congruent to ED. Write down the solution, statement and reason. First one, what they given? BAE is congruent to DEA, that is given. From that, AC is equal to EC. AC is equal to EC. AC is equal to EC by 1, because ABAE is congruent to DEA, that is opposite to equal angle, or angles are equal. Next one, BC is equal to DC. BC is equal to DC. That is also given by BCD is isosceles with the base BD. They given now. Next, AC minus BC equal to AC minus BC, that means AB. Okay, now is equal to EC minus DC. EC minus DC, that is 2 minus 3. AC minus BC, EC minus DC. Statement 2 minus 3. Next, therefore AB is congruent to ED. AB is congruent to ED because by fourth statement. That is the answer. Fifth sum, in the given figure, D is the midpoint of OE. D is the midpoint of OE and angle CDE is 90 degree. We know that, and then prove that angle ODC is congruent to EDC. Now write down the solution. Statement and reason. First one, OD equal to DE. OD is equal to DE. D is the midpoint of OE, that is given. Next one, DC equal to DC, because it is common side. DC equal to DC, reason that is the common side. If we split the two triangles means DC is equal, right? Next, angle CDE is equal to angle CDE equal to CDO. Yes, that is 90 degree right angle. Linear pair, and given angle CDE equal to 90 degree. Next, triangle ODC is congruent to triangle EDC by RHS, that is right hand side criteria. That is the answer, hence proof. Sixth sum is triangle PRQ is congruent to triangle QSP. Why? Listen, in triangle PRQ and QSP, PRQ is equal to QSP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now angle PRQ is equal to angle QSP is equal to 90 degree. That is given. And also given that is PR is equal to QS. PR is equal to QS because they given 3 centimeter. And PQ equal to PQ. That is common side for these two triangles. Okay, now that is common. So it satisfies right hand side criteria. Therefore, angle PRQ congruent to QSP. That is the reason. Seventh sum, from the given figure, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. Listen, from the triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, because it is an isosceles triangle. And angle opposite to equal sides are equal. and then angle B is equal to angle C equal to 65 degree. Angle B equal to angle C equal to 65 degree. Because it is isosceles triangle, so these two angles are equal. And then angle B plus angle C equal to 65 degree plus 65 degree, that is 130 degree. We know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Here we know that B and C, right? That is how much? 130 degree. So angle A plus 130 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle A equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Angle A equal to how much? 50 degree. Now here 50 degree. Now from triangle EDF, angle E equal to 50 degree. So sum of remaining angle equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, that is equal to 130 degree. Now here DE equal to FD. DE equal to FD. Therefore, angle D equal to angle F. Here angle DE equal to angle EF or FE. Therefore, angle D equal to angle F. From that, angle ABC and EDF, angle D equal to 130 divided by 2, that is equal to 65 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to angle E equal to 50 degree. Angle B equal to angle D equal to 65 degree. Angle C equal to angle F equal to 65 degree. That hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. Triangles are equal. So that is the answer. Eighth sum. In the given figure, YH is parallel to TE. YH is parallel to TE. Prove that triangle WHY is similar to triangle WET. And also find HE and TE. First one, statement and reason. Proof. Triangle EWT is equal to triangle HWY. Because common angle. Next one, angle ETW is equal to ETW is equal to HYW. since YH is parallel to TE, that is corresponding angles. And WET is equal to WHY. Triangle WET is equal to WHY. Since YH is parallel to TE, same corresponding angles. And then fourth one, triangle WHY is similar to triangle WET by three angles are equal, that is angle, angle, angle criteria, AAA criteria. Now to find HE and TE. For that also triangle HY is similar to triangle WET. Another reason, corresponding sides are proportionated. Therefore, WH divided by WE, HY divided by ET, WY divided by WT. Here WH, that is 6 divided by WE, that is 6 plus HE, 6 plus HE. Next HY is 4 divided by ET, we don't know, and WY 4 divided by WT, that is how much? 4 plus 12. Take any two. Here we know that from this 2 we can find out HE. So 6 by 6 plus HE equal to 4 by 4 plus 12, 16. Now cross multiplication. Six into 16 is equal to 4 into 6 plus HE. Now 4 bring this side means in division. So 6 plus HE equal to 16 into 6 divided by 4. Now 4, 1 is 4, 4 4s are 16. HE equal to 6 4s are 24 minus 6. Therefore, HE equal to 18. So here 18. And then again take this two divisions means we can find out ET. 4 by ET equal to 4 by 16. So 4 and 4 equalize, this means ET equal to 16. So that is the answer. Ninth sum. In the given figure, if triangle EAT is similar to angle BUN, find the measures of all angles. First write down what they given. Triangle EAT is congruent to triangle BUN. Corresponding angles are equal x degree. Therefore, angle E equal to angle B, that is equation 1. Angle A equal to angle U, equation 2. Angle T equal to angle N, equation 3. Angle E equal to x degree and angle A equal to 2x degree. In triangle EAT, x plus 2x plus angle T, angle E plus angle A plus angle T. E is x degree and A is 2x degree. Angle T we don't know, so add means we get 180 degree because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here angle T equal to 180 minus x plus 2x, that is 3x degree. Angle T equal to 180 minus 3x degree. Also, in triangle BUN, x plus 40 degree plus x degree plus angle U equal to 180 degree. Here 40 degree plus 2x plus angle U equal to 180 degree. Angle U equal to 180 minus 2x minus 40. Now by 2, angle A equal to angle U. Second equation, angle A equal to angle U. Angle A we know that 2x equal to angle U equal to 180 minus 2x minus 40. That is 180 minus 40, 140. minus 2x. Assemble the variables one side. 2x plus 2x. Bring this side means plus 2x equal to 140. That is 4x equal to 140. X equal to 140 by 4. Cancel this means 35 degree. Now angle A equal to 2x, that is 2 into 35 degree, 70 degree. Angle E equal to x degree, that is 35 degree, and then angle T equal to angle N, that is how much? 180 minus 180 minus 3x, that is equal to 180 minus 3 into 35, 105, that is equal to 75 degree. That is angle T and N. Next, angle E equal to angle B. Angle E and B equal to 35 degree. Last one, angle A equal to angle U, that is also 70 degree. That is the answer. 10th sum, in the given figure, UB is parallel to AT and CU is congruent to CB. Prove that triangle CUB is similar to triangle CAT and hence CAT is isosceles triangle. Lesson statement and reason. First one, angle CUB is equal to angle CBU. Since in triangle CUB, CU equal to CB, same base. Next, angle CUB is equal to angle CAT. Here UB is parallel to AT, that is corresponding angles. If CA is the transversal, next one, angle CBU equal to angle CTA. CBU, CTA. Here CT is transversal, UB equal to, UB is parallel to AT, right? That is corresponding angles. Next, angle UCB equal to angle ACT, that is common angle. UCB, TC, this is common for this two triangle, right? Next, triangle CUB is similar to triangle CAT by which one? Angles, three angles, angle criteria. Here angle CA equal to angle CT. Since CAT is equal to CTA, also triangle CAT is isosceles by these statements 1, 2, 3 and sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So that is the answer. Here exercise 5.1 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.